262.
ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः
ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः
सङ्गस्तेषुपजायते
सङ्गस्तेषुपजायते
सङ्गात् संजायते कामः
सङ्गात् संजायते कामः
कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते
कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते
262.1. The meaning of the words of the shloka. Dhyayato, that is dhyayataha. For, that is in, the one who thinks of. Vishayan, the sense objects. Pumsaha, for, that is in, the man. Sangastheshu upajayate, that is sangaha, plus teshu, plus upajayate. Sangaha, attachment. Teshu, in, for them. Upajayate, arises. Sangat, from attachment. Sanjayate, originates. Kamaha, desire. Kamat, from desire. Krodhobhijayate, that is krodhaha, plus abhijayate. Krodhaha, anger. Abhijayate is born. 262.2. The meaning of the shloka. In the man who thinks of the sense objects, arises attachment for them. From attachment originates desire, and from desire anger is born. 262.3 Bhashya.
ध्यायतः चिन्तयतः विषयान् शब्दादिविषयविशेषान् आलोचयतः पुंसः पुरुषस्य सङ्गः आसक्तिः प्रीतिः तेषु विषयेषु उपजायते सङ्गाद् प्रीतेः सञ्जायते समुत्पद्यते कामः तृष्णा कामात् कुतश्चित् प्रतिहतात् क्रोधः अभिजायते.
Translation. For the man who contemplates the sense objects, that is, for the man who thinks always of sense objects like sound, etc., there arises a liking or attachment for those objects. From the liking or attachment originates desire. From desire arises anger, if it is blocked for any reason. 262.4 Explanation. Left to them, the senses would bring in only misery. The process is explained here. The senses like hearing, vision, touch, smell, and taste dwell on sense objects like sound, etc. When the mind follows the senses, it brings in thoughts of their worth and the happiness they may bring in. That leads to an attachment to those objects. The next is a desire to possess them. Kama is the desire to obtain something which is not there and which is believed to bring in happiness. The Acharya defines Kama in his Bhashya of 523 of Bhagavad Gita as, quote, the desire or longing to enjoy for one's happiness something that he likes when he sees, hears, remembers, or otherwise perceives it. Unquote. Thus, attachment leads to desire. 262.5. How does desire lead to anger? Only when the desire is blocked. If there is anger, one can be certain that there was desire. All causes of anger can be traced to the desire to get something, be it an object or someone else's behavior. Again, the Acharya's definition of anger in his Bhashya of 523 is relevant. Quote, anger is that feeling to abhor something when one sees, hears, remembers, or otherwise perceives it as unfavorable or would cause sorrow. Unquote. Shloka 16:21 of Bhagavad Gita speaks of them along with greed as causes of self-destruction. Trividham naragasyedam dvaram nashanamaatmanaha kama krodastadha lobha tasmadedatrayam tyajet. This gate to hell is of three types: destructive of the self, desire, anger, and greed. Therefore, one should discard these three.